Hello my students, how are you? Today you are going to talk about an important math concept called fractions and decimal order operation. Okay, about this example we must find the result without using calculator. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, 13 over 15 plus 3 and 7 over 15. First step, we must look at the denominator 15. So we must write 15 in denominator. 3 plus 0 equal 3. 13 plus 7 equal 20. The next step, we must simplify this fraction. Okay, we have mixed number and 3. We can write 3 plus 20 over 50. And simplest, 20 over 15 by divided by 5. 20 over 15 we can divide it by 5. 20 divided by 5 equal 4. 15 divided by 5 equal 3. So the result will be 3 plus 4 over 3. 4 over 3 is improper. Improper fraction. We must convert from improper to mixed number. We know 4 divided by 3 equal 1 and the remainder 1. Then we must write 3 and 4 over 3 equal 1 and the remainder 1. The last step, we must add 3 and 1. 3 plus 1 equal 4 and third. Okay, 4 and third. 4 and third. The result will be 4 and third. So we must choose 4 and okay, the result will be 4 and 1 over 3. We can write this operation in your calculator. The result will be 13 over 3. It will be 4 and third. Okay, another example. Number 2. Look at with me about question number 2. X multiply y divided by z plus 4 equal what? First step, we can find the multiplication first. From left hand side to right hand side, it's order operation. X multiply y divided by z, it will be xy over z plus 4. So, okay, it's the result. The result will be D. We must choose letter D. Question number 3. Negative 4. Negative in parentheses, negative 46. We can write negative 4. Negative times negative equal positive. Positive 46. 46 plus negative 4 or negative 4 plus 46, we must write positive. Positive what? 46 minus 4 equal 42. The result will be 42. Okay, 42, we must choose letter C. The next question, question number 4. 7a multiply by 3a. 3 times 7 equal 21. A times a equal a power 2. So the result will be 21 a power 2. Question number 5. 2 and 3 over 4 divided by 0.4 divided by 1 and 3 over 8. First, we can solve this example about two methods. First step, we can convert from mixed number to decimal number. 2 and 3 over 4, it will be 2.75 in hundredths divided by 0.4 divided by 1 and 3 over 8. We can convert 3 over 8 by multiplication 125 to numerator and denominator. Okay, result will be 1. And 8 times 125 equal 1000. 3 times 125, 3 times 5 equal 15. 5 and carry up 1. 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. 1 times 3 equals 3. So we must write 2.75 in hundredths divided by 0.4 the first step, and the next we must divide it by 1 and 375 in thousandths. In this step we can convert by multiplication by 10 because denominator decimal number. We must convert from decimal number to whole number by multiplication by 10 because point here after one digit, so we must multiplication by 10 in denominator. So the result will be 4 here, and denominator we must move the point by right hand side one step. So the result will be 7.5 divided by 1.325. The next step, we can divide it 27.5 by 4. Look at with me. 2 divided 4, it's small because 2 divided by 4 will be decimal number, less than. So the number must be a more digit number. 27 divided by 4 equal 5 because 4 times 5 equal 20. It's nearest to 27, or 4 times 6. 4 times 6 equal 24. 4 times 7 equal 28 more. So 27 divided by 4 equals 6. 27 divided by 4 equals 6 because 4 times 6 equal 24, and remainder 3. Right point here. 35 divided by 4 equal what? 4 times 8 equal 32. 4 times 8 equals 32, and remainder 3. Write 0 here. We can counting from 32 to 35. After 32, 33, 34, 35. Remainder will be 3. 30 divided by 4 equal what? Equal 4 times 7 equal 28. Write 0 here. 4 times 7 equal 28. Just after 28, 29, 23. Right? 2. It will be 20 divided by 4 equal 5. So the result will be 6.875 thousandths divided by 375 thousandths. We can find the result by divided. We can divide this number by this number and multiplication by 1000 to cancel point here. So we must write 6.875 over 1.375. We can multiplication by 1000 to cancel point here because denominator decimal number. So we must convert denominator from decimal number to whole number, multiplication by 1000. Then you can write 6.875 multiply 1000. The point cancelled here and point cancelled in denominator also. So we can find the result by divided by long division. 6,875 divided by 1,375. Okay, we can cancel 3 digit by 3 digit. 6 divided by 1 equals 6. We can using 5 because 6 times this number, the result will be more than 6,875. So the quotient will be 5 because 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 and the carry up 2. 5 times 7 equals 35. 35 plus 2 equals 37. Write 7 and the carry up 3. 3 times 5 equals 15 plus 3 equals 18. 8 and carry up 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Okay, so the result will be 5. We must choose letter P about question number 5. Letter P, the result will be 5. Okay, question number 6. Negative, question number 6. Negative 288 divided by negative 16. We know negative divided negative equal positive. So we must write 288 over 16. We can find the result by calculator or by long division or simplest. So we can divide it by 2 because 288 and 16 is even number and are even numbers. So we can divide it by 2 to simplest it. 16 divided by 2 equal 8. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 8 divided by 2 equal 4. 8 divided by 2 equal 4. Next step, we can divide it by 8. 8 divided by 8 equal 1. 14 divided by 8. 14 divided by 8 equal 1 and the remainder 6. Okay, 64 divided by 8 equal what? Again, 8 divided 8 equal 1, 14 divided by 8 equal 1, and the remainder 6. 64 divided by 8 equal 8, because 8 times 8 equals 64. So the result will be 18. The result will be 18. So you must choose letter D about question 6. And what about question number 7? Question 7, 0.56 subtract 0.9 equal what? We know 0.9 19ths more than 56 hundredths, so we must write 0 here. And when you find the result, you must write negative here, because the result will be negative. It's more than, so 0 minus 6, we can't find the result. We must borrow 1 from 9. 9 will be 8, and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 6 equal 4. 5 here again. 10 minus 6 equal 4. 8 minus 5 equal 3, but point and 0. So the result will be negative 34 hundredths. 34 hundredths. So the result will be D. Question number 8. 7a minus 5b multiply 8c. We can using distribution, because 7a minus 5b we can't find the result because it's not similar, so we must using distribution operation. Okay, distribution 7a times 8c subtract 5b multiply 8c. The result will be 7 times 8 equal 56. A times A equal AC. Subtract 5 times 8 equal 40. B multiply C equal PC. So the result will be 56 AC subtract 40 PC. Question number 9. Question number 9. If 1 over 36 m equal 1 over 12, then m equal space. In this example, we must cancel the 1 over 36 to find the value of m by multiplication, or multiply by 36 from left hand side and right hand side. So m will be 1 over 12 multiply 36. 36 divided by 12 equal 3, so m will be 3. The result will be 3. Question number 10. We have two equations in question number 10. Negative 3x plus 2y equal negative 10. We know negative 3x plus 2y equal 10, and the next second equation, x plus 4y equal negative 6. We must find the result by multiplication the second equation by negative 3. In this equation we will multiply by negative 3 to cancel 3x, or multiply positive 3. 3 multiply x, it will be 3x. 3 times 4 equal 12. 3 times 6 equal 18. The result will be negative 18. Okay, the next step, we can find the result by adding first and second equation. Negative 3x plus 3x equals 0. 2y plus 12y equal 14y. 14y equal what? 14y equal, we have 10 here, negative 10, it's negative 10. It's negative 10, okay? This equation equal negative 10. We here and here negative 18. We can add negative 10 and negative 18, it will be negative 28. Okay, so 14y equal negative 28. We can divide it by 14. Okay, we can divide it by 14. We can divide it by 14 here. So y equal negative 28 divided by 14 equal 2. So the result will be negative 2. Okay, y equal negative 2. Question 11. 26 plus negative 48. We know positive times negative equal negative, so we can write 26 negative 48. 26 subtract 48, the result will be negative because 48 more than 26, we must write negative here. And subtract 8 minus 6 equal 2 and 4 minus 2 equal 2, so the result will be 22, negative 22. Okay, negative 22. Again, 26 plus negative 24, it will equal 26 negative 48. We can write negative here, and 8 minus 6 equal 2 and 4 minus 2 equal 2, so the result will be negative 22. Another example, question 12, 8x power 2 subtract 18xy plus 2x divided by negative 2x. This expression divided by negative 2x. Okay, we can find the result by divided this term 8x power 2 by negative 2x and negative 18xy over 2x and so on. Okay, we can write 8x power 2 over negative 2x, negative 18xy over negative 2x plus 2x over negative 2x. Look at with me, positive divided by negative, it will be negative. 8 divided by 2 equal 4, x power 2 divided by x equal x. Negative divided negative equal positive. 18 divided by 2 equal 9, x divided x equal 1, and y divided 1 equal y. Positive divided negative equal negative. 2x over 2x equal 1, so the result will be negative 4x plus 9y minus 1. Another example, question 13. Question number 13. He took us if 2x subtract 14 equal negative 3x plus 11, then x equal what? In this example, we can moving negative 3x from right hand side to left hand side by change this sign. Okay, negative will be positive, so we can write 2x plus 3x equal 11 plus 14. Okay, again we moved this term negative 3x from right hand side to left hand side, and we must move this term by left hand side to right hand side, and we must change the sign here. Negative will be positive and positive will be negative. So 2x plus 3x equal 5x and 11 plus 14 equal 25. The next step, we can divide it by 5. This is the last step. X will be 25 divided by 5 equal 5. The result will be 5. Question number 14. Question 14, he took us f for x plus 12a equal 36, then x equal what? Okay, if you want to find x, we must moving this term by left hand side to right hand side, so 4x equal 30x minus 12a. We can divide by 4. X equals 36 divided by 4 equal 9. 12a divided by 4 equals 3a. So x will be 9 minus 3a. 9 minus 3a. Okay, this is the result. Okay, again, 36 divided by 4 equal 9. 12 divided by 4 equal 3. So the result will be 9 minus 3a or negative 3a plus 9. It was question 14. And what about question 15? Look at with me question 15. He took us 8x minus 7y over 5 subtract 3y minus 12x over 5. We can find the result in one step because denominator here 5 and denominator is the second term 5. So we must write 5 here, and in numerator 8x minus 7y, subtract 3y, and negative times negative equal positive 12x. We must change this sign. Okay, we can write 5 here, 8x and 12x. We can find the result about 8x and 12x. 8x plus 12x equal 20x, and negative 7y, negative 3y equal negative 10y. Okay, the last step, we can divide it by 5. 20x divided by 5 equal 4x. 10y divided by 5 equal 2y. So the result will be 4x minus 2y. Question number 16. 12s subtract 16t divided by 4 over 5. Who can solve it? We can using distribution about this step. Okay, convert first step, divide it to multiplication. So 12s subtract 16t multiply by 5 over 4, and we can using distribution about this expression to 5 over 4. We can write 12s multiply 5 over 4 plus 16t multiply by 5 over 4, and we can sample it by divided 12 divided by 4 equal 3. 3 times 5 equal 15. So the result will be 15s plus 16. It's positive or negative? It was negative, plus negative 16t multiply 5 over 4. 16 divided by 4 equal 4. 4 times 5 equal 20. 20t. So the result will be 15s subtract 20t. It's the result. We must choose this expression. 15s subtract 20t. It's letter C. We must choose letter C about question 16. Question 17. Negative 6 over 5 multiply by 2x subtract 3y. We can using distribution about negative 6 over 5 multiply 2x, negative times negative equal positive 6 over 5 multiply 3y. We can find the result here. Negative 6 times 2 equal negative 12 over 5x plus 3 times 6 equal 18. So the result will be 18 over 5y. We can write 1 over 5 outside here, height common factor between two terms, and the result will be negative 12x plus 18y. And we can write outside only 2 because over 4. No, 2 only, because negative 12 and 18 can divide it by 2. We can write here 2 over 5. It will be negative 6x plus 9y. Okay, check question 17. Look at the result. We convert to decimal number. Never mind, it's easy. Okay, we can convert this expression to decimal number about we choose 12 divided by 5. We can multiply by 2 numerator and denominator to convert from fraction to decimal number. Okay, we can multiplication by 2. 12 times 2 equal 24. So the result will be, look at with me here, negative 24 over 10x plus 2 times 18 equal 36 over 10y. So the result will be negative 2.4x plus 3.6y. It's the result. So we must choose letter P. The result will be letter P about question 17. And what about question 18? Question 18 talk us about in this expression 9x subtract 12y divided by 3 over 4 subtract 15x subtract 9y over 3. Who can solve it? Can you solve it in this example by easy? It's very easy because we can divide this expression by 3 first and find the result about this expression by divided by 3 over 4. Look at with me. 9x minus 12y multiplication 4 over 3. We can convert this sign divided to be multiplication. And 15 divided by 3 equal 5. X negative times negative equal positive. 9 divided by 3 equal 3y. Okay. 9x multiply 4 over 3. 9x multiply 4 over 3. Subtract 12 multiply 12y multiply 4 over 3. We can using multiplication about this expression and 4 over 3 using distribution properties. Subtract 5x plus 3y. Look at with me. 9 over 3 equal 3. 3 times 4 equal 12x. Subtract 12 divided by 3 equal 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. Y. Subtract 5x plus 3y. 12x minus 5x equals 7x. Negative 16y plus 3y equal negative 13y. So the result will be negative 13y plus 7x, or 7x minus 13y. Look at this. Look about this example, letter A. We must choose letter A about question 18. Okay. And what about question 19? Look at with me about question 19. In this example, he told us if third question 19. Okay, question 19. If third s equal n multiply t plus 2, then n equal, we want to find n. Okay, we can find n by multiplication 2 plus t to denominator here. So we can write n. We want to find n. N equal what? First we can cancel this third by multiplication 3 by left hand side and right hand side. So s will be 3n multiply t plus 2. So n will be s over 3 multiply t plus 2. Okay, so n will be s over t plus 2. The result will be p. We must choose letter P about question 19. And what about question 20? We have two questions, 20 and we want to find the value of x. Question 20. Okay, look at with me about question 20. 0.8x. Look at with me. 0.8x subtract 0.5y equal negative 5.5. We can multiply 10 to cancel this point about this example. Okay, we can simplify it by multiplication by 10. So the result will be 8x subtract 5y equal negative 55. It's the first equation. And what about second equation? Second equation also we can multiplication by 10 to cancel point. Look at with me. 0.2 multiply 10 equal 2, so 2x plus 0.5y multiply 10 equal 5y equal 50. Okay, it's the second equation. We can add first equation and to second equation, and we cancel the 5y, negative 5y by 5y. So the result will be 10x equal negative 55 plus 50 equal negative 5. So we can divide it by 10 to cancel 10. So x will be negative 5 over 10. It will be negative 1 over 2 or negative half. The result will be negative half. Okay, negative 0.5. It will be the result about x, 0.5. It's okay. And what about question 21? Look at with me about question 1 here. Question 21. If y equal 3 over 5x plus 4 over 11 over 4 and y equal negative 2 over x 2 over 5x plus 15 over 5, then x equal. You want to find the result of x. So we can equal to equation each other, because y equal 3 over 5x plus 11 over 4. We can write equal here negative 2 over 5x plus 11 over 5. Okay, we can equal to equation with other. Negative 2 5x, we can moving it by left hand side. 3 over 5 plus 2 over 5 equal 5 over 5x, and 11 over 5 subtract 11 over 4 here. So x will be the result about 11 over 5 and 11 over 4. We can write 20 here. 20 divided by 5 equal 4. 4 times 11 equal 44. Subtract 20 divided by 4 equal 5. 5 times 11 equal 55. Then we can write 20 here. We can write negative, because 55 more 44. So the result will be negative 5 minus 4 equal 1, and 5 minus 4 equal 1. So the result will be negative 11 over 20. The result will be D. And what about question 22? Let's look at question number 22. If negative 7a plus 4 equal negative 4a subtract 3, he want to find the result about a. It's very easy. We can moving negative 4a by left hand side. So negative 7a plus 4a equal negative 3 subtract 4. So the result will be negative 3a equal negative 7. We can divide it by negative 3 to cancel the coefficient about a. So a will be 7 over 3. Okay, we must choose letter C about question 22. And question 23, look at about question 23. Question 23. Question 23, if 0.21 subtract 0.3 equal negative 17, multiply by 9x subtract 3y. He want to find 3x subtract y equal space. Look at about this example. We can find this expression by divided by 3 here, left hand side and right hand side. You can find the result about left hand side here. We can write 0. The result will be negative 10 minus 1 equal 9. 2 minus 2 equals 0.0 equal negative 17. Multiply 9x subtract 3y. We can divide it by negative 17. Negative 17 here. Negative 17 here to cancel this coefficient. Negative divided negative equal positive. So the result will be 0.09 over 17 equal 9x minus 3y. We want to find 3x minus y. So we must divide it by 3 left hand side and right hand side. So the result will be 3x minus y equal 0.09 divided by 3 equals 3 over 17. So the result will be 0.03 divided by 17. Okay, you want to find 3x minus y. We can simplify it by divide by times 100. Okay, you can find the result about this example by divided by multiply 100. Okay, multiply 100 here and here 100. The result will be 3, and here it will be 1700. Question 24. 2 and 3 over 4 divided by half. We can write 2.75 divided by 0.5. Okay, we can write 2.75 over 0.5 multiplied by 10 to cancel point about numerator and denominator. So we can write 7.5. We must moving the point by left hand side, from left hand side to right hand side 1 digit, because we multiply by 10 and denominator will be 5. We can find the result 27 divided by 5 equal 5 and the remainder 2. We can write point here, 25 divided by 5 equal 5, so the result will be 5.5 or 5.5. This is the result about this question. And what about question 20? Question 25. Question 25. If y equal half x plus 1 and y equal 1.5 x minus 4, okay, he want to find y. Okay, we can find x about two equation here, half x and 1.5x. We can moving the here, and for moving it by left hand side, so we can write 1 plus 4 equal 1.5x subtract 0.5x, so the result will be 5 equal 1x, so x will be 5. Then we can find y equals 0.5x plus 1. We can write x, so we write x 5 half 0.5, it will be half multiply 5 plus 1, so the result 5 over 2, 2.5 plus 1. Okay, half of 5, 2.5 plus 1 equal 3.5. This is the result about y. It was question 25. Okay, y equal 3.5. Look at again about this example, the result. Okay, look at with me about this example again. Half of x plus 1 equal 1.x negative 4. Here x will be half. No, again 1 plus 4 equal 5. It's true. Okay, it's true. 1.5x subtract 0.5, half 1.5, cancel half x from it, it will be x will be 5, and write 5 here. Half of x equal 2.5 plus 1 equals 3.5. The result will be 3.5. It will be 3. Okay, say letter D, 7 over 2. The result will be 7 over 2. We must choose letter D. Okay, we will complete this example 250 question another time. Next video, I am very happy about this example, and it will be help you in your examples in the future. We must be attention about this example, and we'll be complete this example next time. Thank you all students. Goodbye.